Graphing a hyperbola. I know it's a hyperbola first because it is a subtraction. And of course, it also tells you that the center is the x and y value. So remember, it's always the opposite. So it's -2, +5. I'll go ahead and graph that. -2, +5. Then I know that I'm going to need to create my rectangular box. If I square root the 16, I get 4. If I square root the 9, I get 3. So in the x direction, I'm going to go 4 from the center in either direction. And the y, I'm going to go 3. So 3 up and 3 down. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw in my rectangular box. I can then go ahead and draw the asymptotes. Now, I want to write the equation, and remember, it's always y minus k equals plus or minus the slope times x minus h. So I can get the y minus k directly from my standard form equation, and I can get the x minus h also directly from my standard form equation. Then the last thing I need to do is find the slope. You'll remember that slope is rise over run. So I went up 3 and over 4. So there's my slope, 3 over 4. Rise 3, run 4. The coordinates of the vertices. Okay, well first I need to figure out which direction and go ahead and draw in the hyperbola. Since the x comes first, I know it must be a horizontal hyperbola. So I'm going to go ahead and draw in that horizontal. And the vertices are these points where it touches your rectangular box. So the vertices are these two values. And so the one value is -6, 5. The other vertex is at 2, 5. Complete. And we've answered all information and we've graphed all the key portions of the hyperbola.